Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you back to my tutorial channel with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So here we have the next question on the board, question 13. Given that log 16 in base 4 equals to log 36 in base y, find the value of y. So this is based on logarithmic what? Equation. So when you see problem like this, how do we solve it? So please listen carefully. We have log 16. We have log 16 in base 4 to be equals to log 36 in base y. Now our target is to find the value of y, but we have a problem here. So you need to solve this one first before you deal with this, okay? So tamper with this, then don't tamper with this. Tamper with this first before this. That's the meaning. So how do I tamper with this? I observe the numbers there. I have 16 and I have the base of 4. I can change this 16 to be of the same base with this 4. Am I right? So that means I will have something like this. Log 4 raised to power 2. Can you see that? In base 4. Then you still write this back, log 36 in base y. Don't tamper with that. So look at what we have now. This is a power law of what? Logarithm, which means when you have something like this, and you have raised to the power of 2, so you can move this 2 here to the back of this log to have something like this, 2 log a in base a. So I'm going to apply the same principle here. I will move this 2 to the back here. I will have 2 log 4 in base 4. Then it's equals to what? Log 36 in base y. Don't tamper that. You write it back. The next thing is also in law of logarithm. When you have something like this, it's equals to 1. When you have the number and the base to be the same, it's equals to 1. So I also apply the same thing here. You can see that the number we have here and the base we have here, they are the same. So which means I will have 2 times 1. Then that will be equals to log. Don't tamper with this. You write it back. So 2 times 1 is 2. Is equals to log 36 in base y. Okay, let me write this very well. Log 36 in base y. That's what we have there. So you can now tamper with this now. How do we tamper with it? We don't need the log again because we want to find the value of y. So we have to take the log of both sides to base y, which means you will have something like this. You log this one to base y. Can you see that? Then you have y raised to the power of these 2, just like the laws are applied there. So because if you solve this, it's still going to give you what? 2. So then that will be equals to what? Log 36 in base y. So that this and this will cancel out. Then you are left with what? Y squared is equals to what? 36. But our target is to find the value of y, not y squared. So what do you do in this situation? You take the square root of both sides. You take the square root of both sides, which means you have y equals to square root of what? 36, because this is also a square. You take their square root. So this square cancel out this square root here, over here. Then you will have what? Y equals to square root of 36 is 6. So the final answer for the value of y is what? 6, which is option C. So that's the end of today's class. Okay, but if you have any question, don't forget to drop in the comment section. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification beside it to receive any update from this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.